Hello, I'm Scott Douglas with MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach, and today we're going to take a look at the Sea Ray 37 Sundancer. Notice this large cockpit, sea deck flooring, grill built in over on the port side, fridge, wet bar sink. This boat is equipped with twin 600 Mercury Verados with joystick, sky hook, and autopilot. Take a look at the helm area. I have the sky hook engaged right now. We have a full set radar, GPS, chart plotter, and fish finder. Twin Simrad screens, fusion stereo, remote spotlight, all digital throttles, and a Simrad VHF as well. One really neat feature of the 37 Sundancer is this large glass window. So this shuts. We also have a door that comes across here, completely blocks everything. So this is climate controlled in here, air conditioned, heat, everything. Moving to the bow area, one of my favorite spots of the boat. You notice you have this great lounge seat up here. Flip down armrest, teak accents, phone charging capability, and a stereo remote up here as well. In the cockpit area here, you have a nice port side double seat with the flip up thigh rise. There's also a TV that pops in right behind the helm seat if you want to catch your favorite game on Saturday or Sunday. The cockpit of the 37 Sea Ray Sundancer is amazing. You notice you have ample seating, sea deck that goes all the way back to the 600 Verado engines. You also have a sure shade up here with the push of a button. You can shade all this area back here. In the cabin of the Sea Ray 37 Sundancer, you'll notice there's ample room. This bed comes out to a full-size bed. You do have the galley here, freshwater sink, microwave, fridge, everything built in. You also have an en-suite head and separate shower, as well as a TV tucked away on the wall here. Aft on the 37 Sundancer, behind the stairs, you have a nice stateroom that slides out where you can sleep 2 adults, as well as a flip-up TV. If you'd like to see the 37 Sea Ray Sundancer in person, my name is Scott Douglas with MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach. We can be reached at 910-256-8100. Thanks for taking a look today.